simple step to make a paper bag. The first thing you have to know, be sure of the size of bag you want, the size of your bag. And for this print, I'm going by 8 inches by 6. Then the depth is 3 inches. So now if you know the size of paper bag you want to make, it will enable you to tell the printer what to print for you. So the first is for you to get your measurement. Like I said, we are doing that of 8 inches by 6 inches. Then the depth is 3. Now because I've already know what I want to do, all I need to do is to go to any computer press and tell them that, look, I want to print a paper bag. And for this print, this is how it will look like. I've already printed it. This is how it will look like. You will print, then you will laminate. You can see the nylon. You print, you will laminate, and then the folding. So in this class, I'm going to teach you how to fold when you're done with your printing. So for you to print any bag, remember I said our measurement for this bag is 8 by 6 inches. So we have from here to here, which is 8 inches. Then from here to here is 6 inches. So now, how do we fold this? The first thing you want to do, you would like to do, is to cut off this. So all I need to do is to open it. Just open. You open this. So I have this. There are some printers that they will print it in this format, but this one I printed it separately. You can print your own in the same format, in the same lane of the paper. You can print it and it will appear in the same sheet, but this one is separate. So all I need to do is to trim out the excess from this other one and join. So for this side, I will trim, just following this thing. I have to trim it out. You have to be careful so that you will not trim above the line. Then I also trim here. In case your own is exact measurement, there won't be need for you to print. But if you have excess like mine, then you need to print it, cut it out. Please, I'm leaving ½ inch allowance on this side. I'm leaving ½ inch allowance on this one. I will tell you why I'm doing that when I will start folding. I also cut here. I also cut here. So I have this. So I'll also do the same thing for this one. Trim it this way. So now I'll finish trimming off my excess from each of the bag. So the next thing I have to do is to fold. Remember I told you I gave ½ inch allowance on one side, not this side, on one side. So I have to fold it in. I have to fold it. Then I will apply my gum to join it with this other side. You can use your top bond aside this one. Either top bond or any paper gum. They're going to make it come out. Okay? So you use your top bond. I'll apply here, also apply at the back side of this gum. On this one, apply your gum on both sides. So I also do the same thing to this other side. Also fold in and then to dry, and then after drying you have to join this your bended side, place it on this other end. And press it down. So then we also have, remember from here to here is 6 inches, so I'm going to bend this one inward. I'll bend it. So you bend it, and then you can join the other side. And join the other side. So after joining, I will have something of this nature. Now remember, I said the depth of our bag is 3 inches, and it's from this line to this line. You have to make sure it's 3. This is 3 inches. So all you need to do is to divide it into 2 and fold. Just fold into 2 equal parts. Fold into 2 equal parts. The table they show. No, I mean show. What thing you gonna do? This one. So you press down your materials. So I have this. Then, since the base is 3, you measure, you fold it from here, a rectangular folding from this point, this intersect, the point where this line, this color, this ash and white meet. Just fold it from here. Fold it inward. Fold it. And then you have this. Do not forget to press it down. So you also fold the other side. The same method. So fold this other side. So I have this. I have this. Then after that, please open it. Then you will see a mark, a rectangle, a triangular sign here. Push it in and push this other side in too. Then you have something of this nature. Then after that, turn it and use some mat. You see the table. Turn it this way. Then press it down. Press it down. Then from this line here, fold in. then fold this other side. So I have this. Then you can apply your gum. Allow to dry also. So I'll use this to make a hole for my handle. But first you have to measure out. You can either use your shoelace, it's almost the same size. But if you can get the ones that are bigger, it's also good. So I'm taking 12-inch for each handle. Then I will cut it into two. So all I need to do is to make a hole to contain my handle. Make a hole. And then we also make a hole this way. So have this and this. Push in your rope. Also push this side. I'm making a knot here. The bag is ready. Don't finish.